Hello everyone. Today I will show you how we can export the list of Active Directory users. So let me go to Active Directory users and computers, tools, users and computers. Okay, right click on the saved query and go to new query. Let's name the query list of all users. Now define query. In the find section, go to custom search. Now let's go to advanced. I will paste the query here. For your help, I will paste this query in the video description as well. So let me copy and paste it here under enter LDAP query. Again, okay. This will create a folder here, list of all user, as we have named list of all user, and this will create a folder and all the user will appear in this folder. So now select this folder. Now we are going to export these users. So select this folder, go to the export list button in Active Directory. Name your file list users and select the format in which you want the users. So I will select here simple text file and I will save it on the desktop. Okay, save. So let's verify if you get this list on our desktop. Here is the list of the users. Yeah, these are all the users listed text file. Thank you for watching.